Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics that actually cause most issues. First, flip the silent/ring switch and slide volume up. This rules out simple mute. Then open Control Center to check Do Not Disturb and any focus mode, these silence notifications. Make sure Bluetooth isn't routing audio to a paired device. Finally, inspect speaker grills and any lightning headphone adapter for debris. Cleaning and a quick reconnect often restores audio, so act now before deeper steps. Once done with surface checks, restart your iPhone to clear transient software glitches. If frozen, perform a force restart because that often fixes audio services. Next, update iOS. Audio bugs are regularly patched, so installing the latest version matters. If sound still fails, reset settings to restore audio-related configurations without erasing data. This resets network and sound settings that can block output. Make sure to back up before major resets. And now isolate whether the speaker itself is at fault by playing audio through wired headphones or Bluetooth. If headphones work, the speaker or connector likely has a hardware issue. If software still seems responsible, restore from a backup or perform a DFU restore to reinstall firmware. This resolves deep system corruption. If none of these steps restore sound, schedule Apple support, or Genius Bar. Professional hardware diagnostics and speaker replacement are sometimes required. Tip: keep a record of tests you ran to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.